Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel BBnana Cooks. Today we are making Yassa Brochettes, also known as chicken skewers, with an onion sauce on the side. So this is how I make it. For the ingredients, you're going to need some chicken breast, kind of bell peppers, onions, sliced onions, oil, Dijon mustard, garlic, soy sauce, some wooden skewers, salt and pepper. In this part, I'm chopping the bell peppers and the onions into big squares because they are going into the skewers. This is some chicken breast. Cut them into square sizes just like you cut the bell peppers and the onions. Next, you're gonna bring out your manual food processor. Add the garlic in. Mash it until it's all the way smooth. Into this bowl, you're going to add the chicken breast in it. Add the soy sauce, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, oil, mix everything well. Then you add the garlic in. Mix it again. Then add some lime juice. Now bring out the pot, drop the chicken in. Cook it for about 20 minutes at a very low heat. Then wait until it cools down so you can start each skewers. I make sure each skewers have at least 2 vegetables in it. Then place them on a baking sheet and broil them in the oven for at least 5 minutes on each side. In this part, we are making the onion sauce. Start by cooking the sliced onion in 3 tablespoons of oil. Make sure the oil is drop the onions in. Then add some Dijon mustard, soy sauce, salt and pepper. Mix it well and cook it at a medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. Add some water. Let everything cook again for another 5 minutes or wait until the onions are golden brown. And this is what it looks like once it's all done and plated. The onions are caramelized and the skewers looks good too. I serve it along with some white rice with a little bit of mixed vegetable with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out my next episode where I'll show you how to make some fried chicken. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more great recipes. Bye!